Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now, press and hold the Ps5 power button until it fully shuts down, then wait for the light to go off. This prevents boot conflicts. Once done, plug a charged DualSense into the front USB-C port. Safe mode requires a wired controller. Make sure the USB cable is a data cable, not charge only, because the console needs to recognize input as you proceed to the next step. Now you perform the key sequence. Press and hold the power button again, listen for the first beep, then keep holding until the second beep at about 7 seconds. That second tone signals safe mode initiation. Release the button immediately after the second beep, and the system will display the safe mode menu. Then press the PS button on the wired DualSense to pair. This gives you control to choose the specific recovery option you need. Finally, pick the safe mode option that matches your goal. For general stability, choose Rebuild Database because it reindexes files without deleting data. If the menu fails to appear, make sure the USB-C cable supports data, swap ports, and repeat the 2-beep sequence. Bad cables are the most common failure. If problems persist, fully unplug the console for 60 seconds, then retry the safe mode entry. This power cycle clears transient hardware.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.